guys, it seems like someone requested me to do a refrigerator slash pantry haul since I like to do cooking videos. So I think I'm gonna do that. So y'all were just looking at a magnet on the refrigerator. So let's open the refrigerator and let's start here. Just have some bottled water, 1% milk, some tea. There's some orange juice back there. These are my eggs, some yogurt. My favorite Amish wedding old-fashioned black better jam. Pickles, salsa. The Amish wedding old-fashioned pickled peaches. Those are wonderful. This is Paris's fresh pet dog food. I have some sour cream and some blueberry, what is this? Cream cheese. And some tortilla shells because I was going to make some enchiladas, some rolls. I have ginger ale back there and the Country Crock Light. And then we have some carrots, some lemons, lettuce. That's the onion keeper and a bell pepper keeper and another bell pepper in there. And then down here we have the Diet Cokes and the regular Cokes. And up here, oh goodness, we just have a little mishmash of everything. Spices, garlic, sage, nutmeg, cloves. I have extra taco sauce and stuff. Minced onions. I have Smucker's apple butter, strawberry preserves, sugar-free grape, sugar-free strawberry, and regular grape, and then Worcestershire sauce, just spices. This is Chow Chow, food from the Smokies, got that in Gatlinburg. Pickles for salad, and then salad dressings. I love Green Goddess, I love it. And then some Diet Pepsis and Mountain Dews down there. And on this side, I have Eggos, some omelets. These are just single serve chicken. I have 2 packs of that. Ice. There's a garlic chicken stir fry. Extra ice. That's ribeye steak. It's, I don't know. And then I have corn, biscuits, and oh, there's rice pilaf and broccoli and all kinds of stuff in there. And there. In the door, biscuits. And this is frozen corn on the cob, and it is actually delicious. And then we have the Hillshire Farms Little Smokies. And that's it for the refrigerator and freezer. So let's go to where the other stuff is. Okay, this is just the cabinet with the canned goods. I have soup and pinto beans and all kinds of beans. You'll see there's all kinds of beans and corn and peas and everything. It's just everything. And then come over here and I have soups and spices galore. And then coffee and macaroni noodles, and you'll see peanut butter and stuff back in there. And I found they sell these at my grocery store. It's the spices, but it comes in little things like this, and they're a lot cheaper. This was like $2, I think, and when you get it in the container already, they were like $4. So you can get that. You can buy this, and you can even buy the containers, or you could even use like a salt and pepper shaker, or reuse your spice jars that you already have and put that in there, and it's going to save you some money. So, and up here is our cereal and chips and Pop-Tarts, and down here I have, let's see, there's brown sugar and let's see, there's hot chocolate and grits and oatmeal and instant macaroni and stovetop and pasta salad and Pam and Wesson oil, and I see something, soy sauce or something, and extra ketchup and ranch and Jiffy mix and Bisquick and waffle mix and their syrup, popcorn, and let me go one more place. Okay, up here we have extra sugar, extra ketchup and pasta sauce, and extra mayonnaise and salad dressings, and the pepperonis, and more Amish foods back there, and soup and sauces, and nacho sauce, and my Keurig K-Cups, and this is my Javalia, I think that's Irish cream coffee in there. I have to keep it separate because my mother doesn't like flavored coffee. So that's it. Okay. Until next time.